Would Camel getting hit in the face by some ping pong balls cheer you up?
I love you too, Camel.
Because I'm willing to oblige.
No, dude. I think that would do the opposite.
Tails never fails.
Oh, okay.
This has joined the server. A Dizzy Viking Wolf Pico Pats. A Deathmaster 11,100.
What the fuck, dude? Deathmaster, dude.
Don't hurt my camel. Don't let the ass get to you.
Yo, fucking Deathmaster.
The ass. Hold the ass.
Dude, Deathmaster. Deathmaster is an OG, dude. People used to be trying to harvest his blood in the chat.
Sometimes I like to hold in a fart just to show my colon who's boss.
True.
Who gets my blood? You what, cake? Why am I like this? Why
dude.
True?
Why true? Dude.
True, and yeah, that's pretty true. That's true, and yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true. That's pretty true. That's pretty true. I mean,
this shit smells so fucking amazing, dude.
I'm ready.
I want to drink it right now.
Mm-hmm. I've been taking a little lick here and there.
Yeah, where is the T6?
Oh my god, the T6. Honestly, I'm gonna have a T6 added by next week. I'm gonna add a T6.
No one will ever get my blood. It's actually a smoothie.
Dude, wait, where the tots at, dude? We gotta dip a tot in here.
Ooh, that's an idea.
Dude. Still in the air fryer? Where the tots at, dude?
Gamba flip time ding dong.
Ding
Dippin'.
dong.
Flip the
This
flip.
is about to be crazy. Hold on, dude. We gotta dip first, dude. This is about to be crazy, dude.
Dry aged tots. Ding dong. Flip the scam. Flip the scam.
Dude.
Ding dong.
Yo.
Mm-hmm.
You raise the music.
Just hit the T3 freckles.
How's that blue raz cheese action?
Dude, that shit is great.
Ding dong ding dong ding dong ding dong ding dong ding.
All right, I'm flipping it, dude.
Ding dong ding dong.
Give me like a 5-second countdown, Ishin.
Flip the scam.
All right,
For the
I
flip.
got you. I got you.
You
5,
still have to tidy
4,
your after streaming with
3,
Camel Mission.
2,
93 star.
1. Flip.
You need to
Tails never fucking fails, dude. I told you. I told you, dude. I told you, dude. Tails never fucking fails, dude. I literally said it at least 5 times.
I'd already committed my points.
Let's go.
At least 5 times.
Tails never
Pay it out,
fails.
dude. Pay the fuck out, dude. Honestly, pay it
Thank
out.
you.
I think I got cheese sauce on the lens.
I'm leaving the call. I'm out of here.
We're all in to kick it out, partnering to end discrimination, one bottle of water at a time. Crystal Geyser, straight from the mountain source. Paid for by the Lizard Lives Matter movement.
Add LULW. Nishin you cook. Lizard lives matter.
Yo, Izzy, are you talking about Gogurt?
My message.
I heard you, Izzy. You're talking about Gogurt? And the tube that you guys squeeze it out? Dude, I haven't had Gogurt in forever. But I used to love the fucking cotton candy Gogurt. I don't know if they still make those, but that shit was great.
I think so, but they call it something else in Sweden. Make it an hour. Yeah.
Yo, soy sauce.
You.
An hour? Yo, I'm honestly with that. Olives? What's good soy sauce?
I got the sauce in my tubes too. Do you still want my blood? What Mommy Pilkers said.
I don't know who's offering
They
their
call
blood,
them
but give me.
fruits.
Is that blue jizz?
Can I have some tube sauce? Dude, where are you seeing blue jizz? Frubes. Let me see if I can search that.
Frubes. Virus.
Scientifically, my tubes
Okay, yeah.
are called fallopians. Yeah, that is certified blue jizz.
Yeah, they call these Go-Gurts here. But it looks like the same thing. And if you pop them in the freezer,
Keeps blue jizz in the fridge.
dude, if you put the shit in the freezer, that shit is great, Izzy. Hashtag don't free albino wolf. True. Yeah, dude, Izzy, toss that shit in the freezer. They're so fucking good. They are so good.
I had never
Does
even
anybody-
fucking thought of that. That's such a good idea.
Dude, Go-Gurt in the freezer? Yeah, that shit is... Do they still